Hi everyone, I am Jia and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then I usually make educational and study related content. Next exam is your mathematics exam, basic mathematics or standard mathematics, and you have a pretty long gap for it, around 9 days after your Hindi exam gets over. So it's a very good thing actually for both students who are high scorers. आपको ज़्यादा time मिलेगा to reach that level of 100 by doing extra hard questions, and for those who are aiming for 90 plus also, in these 9 days you can easily, even if you've not done anything properly yet, you can easily get 90 plus by studying every day. Now आपके लिए maths में your main book is your NCERT book. NCERT is very very important. Ensure you do NCERT at least 2 times. अब तक तो आपने एक बार तो कर ली होगी, but you should do 2 times minimum and be very very thorough, because 90% of questions will be same questions as NCERT के examples and exercise. Examples को ignore मत करना guys, do examples also. 90% will be same, सिर्फ numbers थोड़े change हो जाएंगे. Actually 95% ही same होंगे, except little bit 5% questions like case based can be out of NCERT, but again the same formulas. Now since आपके पास time है, make a formula book. हर एक चैप्टर में जो जो फॉर्मूला है वो उसको लिख दो बुक में हर रोज करके. Write the formulas of every chapter. It will be very very helpful, especially one day or just before your exam. You can just brush through all the formulas, because you get marks for formulas and steps also in mathematics. Now you have around 15 chapters and 9 days. I will say every day आप लोग 2 chapter करो, and some days you can do 3 also based on how easy hard it is. Do 2 chapters. What do we do in a day? 2 chapters. For every chapter do your NCERT one time, after which you can go to guidebook questions. Yeah, you can do PYQs that are available on several websites if you don't have a guidebook. And maths के लिए your concept has to be clear. Simply mugging up the sum won't help you out, so you can watch concept clearance videos also. अभी आपका maths में ना practice is important. So ensure you write every answer. Don't just think in your brain कि I know this answer and just leave it and go to the next one. So do your NCERT, then do your guidebooks. Exemplar आप कर सकते हो if you're a very high scorer and you're aiming for 100, but honestly उसमें से ज़्यादा questions नहीं आए थे in my year. So that's what I will tell you if you want 90 plus NCERT plus guidebooks. Now on the last 2 or 3 days, you will take previous year question papers and solve them. प्रॉपर 3 घंटे के लिए बैठ के सॉल्व करो, टाइमर डालो, बिकॉज मैथ्स में सम पीपल टेंड टू टेक एक्स्ट्रा टाइम एंड दे वॉन्ट बी एबल टू फिनिश. बोर्ड्स वॉन्ट गिव यू एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. सो 3 hours टाइमर डालो सामने, प्रॉपर बोर्ड एग्जाम स्टाइल में वो पूरा पेपर अटेम्प्ट करो इन द लास्ट 2 to 3 days, right? So don't do PYQs before. Try and do it like in the form of sample papers and question papers and see your scores in that. Major place where you guys can lose marks is your MCQs alone. थोड़े confusing हो सकते हैं, तो MCQs सीख लेना. One more myth that I want to break is कि a lot of people are saying लंबा gap है तो पेपर hard होगा. But by now you people would have understand the level of CBSE. You would have understood the level of CBSE के papers. It's not that hard, but there are few questions that are tricky. Maths paper also will be same. It's not going to be different just because you have a longer gap day and all. So yes, you have a long gap day, and I will say utilize these gap days properly. Don't waste time कि ठीक है मेरे पास I have 9 days gap days, I will rest first 5 days, last 4 days I will practice everything. Okay, if you want to pass सलून करना है तो वो कर सकते हो आप, like बिल्कुल perfect है, काम भी हो जाएगा. But if you want to score high marks and you don't want to be very flustered and have lots of backlogs in the last moment, start right now. Hindi exam के बाद you take that day break and you start from immediately the next day you start your mathematics, and trust me, you will score the highest mark in mathematics. This is a way of redeeming yourself if you made silly mistakes in your science, social, Hindi and English. So again I will repeat, make a formula book, very very important, and do the NCERT properly because NCERT से ही questions आएंगे. So all the best guys. I will be uploading more videos for mathematics because you have a long time, and keep practicing. Pro tip, मैं तो music background में डाल के mathematics करती हूँ. That would really help me and I'll be able to solve sums also quickly. So if you're able to do that, just put on your Spotify playlist and listen to music while solving. You will feel happy and be able to solve sums at the same time. So all the best guys. I'm sure all of you will ace it, and this might be last exam for some of y'all, so give it your all. And for those having AI, again one more, if you have AI and if you have IT, then you can little bit do AI IT, but again for that you have 7 days gap days, which is more than enough. So focus on your maths. All the best guys, and you will all shine.